저도 제리 바라봐요.
Robert 두지는 여성제 안장하는 저선 장배장.
아니 균을 가지 여봐이나야. 미천아 기부용의 규소디.
From one life to another.
And that he just remained silent.
To designate because he wouldn't be a son, I guess, if he wasn't part of the family.
The teachings by such great masters, leave such a deep imprint. And then when you see how they conduct themselves, how they teach, how they relate to students, and how they relate to their own teachers and their students, it is beyond words to see those kinds of examples, which are quite rare and quite precious in our society today.
There's been a great balance between teaching meditation, practicing meditation, giving us the environment, the chanting, the space, the meditation hall, and then balancing that with just a lot of cultural opportunities, being able to interact with the monks, go to the prayer hall, watch the debates. We have been treated so kindly and welcomed with tea everywhere we go, and just kind faces and people who want to know us and who want to share themselves too.
This is a remarkable place to be for an extended period of time. It feels just like a retreat campus. We've made occasional trips off to other locations, but the principal work that we've been involved in here has been such that we don't need to leave the place. And what's more, I keep saying we because I was well taken care of along with other people in my group.
This is a little bit more than just a science and meditation center. It's immersion into a culture also. And I was very interested in exploring not only the monastic culture, but the Tibetan culture. And what better way to do it than in this beautiful science and meditation center.
I had been a military child. My dad was military, and we did travel all over. But this was like an amazing experience, partly because I was in a foreign country, and partly because this monastery is so amazing. It was so much more amazing than I expected it to be. And lastly, because we were allowed to do things that I didn't expect. We met teachers who were just beyond what I can describe. They were friendly, engaging, smart. They were wonderful.